Hey, welcome to another QMark video. So this is the part 2 and 3, that is me solving Mr. Robot CTF, the second flag and third flag video introduction. Basically the first flag is already solved. You can click here to see the first flag solution. So in this video I'm going to show you solving the second and third flag of Try Hack Me Mr. Robot CTF. So since we know it uses WordPress, let's use this tool called WP Scan. So to use that, type sudo WP Scan and specify the URL. So specify the IP address, it's 10. Copy paste the IP address. Copy paste the IP address and specify the password list with the help of the stack called password. Use the simple fsociety.txt file, and for user use the same simple fsociety.txt and give enter. So now the WP scan starts. Give it a moment. So there we go, we got a success penetration, we got the username and password. So the username is Elliot and the password is ER280652. Basically, if you follow this Mr. Robot series, you'll come to know that number is his employee ID number. Copy and paste the password. Now we are inside the dashboard. I don't want to save the password. Now we are inside the Elliot profile. Let's go to appearance and go to editor. Now you can see we can edit this theme. So you can see here there is few PHP scripts, and so in this situation we can run a PHP reverse shell and get connected inside the server. So to do that, I have given a link in the description. So there is a good repository. This is from Pentest Monkey, where they give really good reverse shell scripts from Python to PHP. Let's copy paste the script inside 404template.php file, and you need to do a little change in here. Now inside terminal, let's use this tool called netcat number, and let's listen in a port number of 1234. You can give any port number. For this video I'm giving 1234. So in this code you need to change few things. One is the port number 1234 and the other one is your IP address. So now you can use this tool called ifconfig and you can get the IP address. Copy paste your local IP address here and give update. Now open this file. So we updated in 404.php. We have updated in this location. Now let's open this file. Let's copy the URL. Let's paste and let's call that file 404.php, and let's check our terminal whether we have got the connection. Now you can see now we got the connection inside the server. Now let's shift to the much stable shell that's inside the Python. Copy paste this command that's there in my description. So now you'll be inside a much stable shell. Type ls. So let's go to home. So you can see the files that's available inside the server. So let's type ls. So ls is nothing but it's going to list out all the files that's available in that folder. So now you can see we got the key 2. Let's cat the key 2. So use this command called cat. Now let's open the file called key2 and see what's inside it. So you can see the permission is denied because I'm not the robot user who can access this file. So we need to have access with that robot user. So we don't know the password of the robot user, and you can see there is another file called password.raw md. So from this file name I can assume this is an md file format. So let's see whether at least we can open that file. Yeah, we're able to open that. Now copy this hash code. I'm naming it as Mr. Robot.hash. Let me paste the hash. I'm saving it. Let's use this tool called John the Ripper. After saving the MD file hash, now type this command called sudo john Mr. Robot.hash and specify the word list and format as raw MD file and give enter. And give the sudo password. So now you can see one password has been hashed successfully. To view the password, you need to type this command. So again, I'll give you this command in the description. So once you have copy pasted the command, now tell the file name. At the end, you need to tell it's Mr. Robot.hash. Give it a moment. Now you can see the hash. Now after decoding the hash, we got this as the password. So let's try to log in. Type sudo. Let me copy this. Type su and yeah, so let's check out who am I. So now I am robot. So let me type ls. So now you can see I am this. So let me type who am I. Now I am the robot. Type ls and let's see. Now let's try to access this file called key2 of. Type the file name cat space file name. And press enter. Yeah, now we got the second key. Finally, we got the first and second key. Now let's cross check whether this is the second key in our website. So now since we are just a robot user, now we need to shift to root user. So to do that, we need to do privilege escalation. Now we need to do privilege escalation. So copy paste the command that's there in my description. So and press enter. Now this command checks in the full system whether is there any privilege escalation, is there any binary bit that has been misplaced, or whether we can any program or files that we can do. Now you can see we got nmap in it. So there is another link in the description, copy paste that. So basically copy paste the link in the description. So basically this website is called GD4Pins. So where we can search for any exploit. In this case, I have already searched for nmap. Now you have to go through each and every line. Let's see what is interesting. Now you can see the interactive mode is available from this version to this version. Can be used to execute shell command. Let's copy and paste the command. Now we are inside the nmap interactive mode. Let's get inside the shell. Now let's type the other command. Now right now we are root user. Let me check it out. Now you can see that I am a root user. Let's go to the root folder and see what are all available. Let's go to root folder. Let's go to root and let's check whether is there any files available inside the root. Yeah, now we got the third key. Let's open the file with the command cat. Key3 of 3.txt and press enter. Now you got the third key. Now we are submitting the third key. Let's see whether we are done with this mission or not. Hey, we are hacked this Mr. Robot mission. Thanks for staying patient till the end.